ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be tackling my entryway, some speed cleaning. You'll see me clean my window a little bit, just really some chores that I try to tackle in the morning. I even got a new laundry product that I'll be sharing with you guys. So if you have any chores you need to tackle, let's go ahead and do it together. The first thing I wanted to get done was sweep and mop the entryway. Husband Michael been trying so hard to get our grass back to life in the front yard, and he's been tracking a lot of dirt. So I wanted to go ahead and sweep and mop before the boys wake up.
When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love?
While I was mopping and everyone was still asleep, I was enjoying catching up on one of my favorite shows, 90 Days Fiancé. Let me know down in the comment if you guys are currently watching any shows right now.
Give me somebody to love.
Next, I moved to the front door side windows. To be honest, I do not clean those often enough, but I realized when I was cleaning the entryway that I should probably get them done because there's always little fingerprints around the bottom part of the windows as my boys are running and crawling to meet Dada when he comes home. If you're new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Flore, but you can call me Flo. I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom to two amazing little boys named Michael and Joshua. And on my channel, you'll mostly see some cleaning motivation, family vlogs, and some DIY projects. If any of these things catches your interest, I hope you consider subscribing and joining my family. And if you've been here, I just want to say hey and thank you so much for watching my videos and just being super supportive, because you could have been doing anything else and you decided to take your time to be here with me. Doing laundry is just one of those things that I'm constantly doing, and it's just a hassle sometimes. So when the company Vacplus was kind enough to send me their newest laundry detergent, I was super excited, and I told them I was going to put it to the test. The first thing that I noticed about it was the packaging. It's made out of 100% biodegradable material, and there was no plastic being used. It's also an Amazon Climate Pledge friendly certified product, so it's really trying to focus on being more conscious with our environment. As I opened it, I realized how easy it would be to use. I don't have to worry about any measuring or creating any mess, and right in the back of the box, it provides me with how many sheets I should use for the size of my load. I also like that it adopts a concentrated formula that dissolves pretty quickly. As soon as I placed it in the water, it started to break down, and you can see it soap up really nicely. So I do feel like a little bit goes a long way. I think this would also be good if you're planning on doing some traveling or even some outdoor activity like camping. You can possibly consider packing this with you if you need to hand wash some of your clothes.
They keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Oh, oh, oh. Two different minds. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds.
You know just what to say to make it all okay. 'Cause I am too blind to see when you're in front of me. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive.
Alright, so the laundry detergent sheet did really well with my color clothes, my dark colors, and even my towels. But I feel like a test of a good detergent is how well they work on white clothes, and I was going to give it a try.
To survive.
Alright, you guys, I was actually pleasantly surprised how well it removed the stains from my husband's socks that he wore when he was cutting the grass. I will go ahead and leave the product link down in my description box if you're interested. It's on Amazon, so let me know, or if you decide to purchase it, please come back and let me know how it works out for you. Now that I'm done with laundry, it's time for me to tackle the high traffic area, and that's the upstairs loft area. I am really bad at putting things away immediately, and I just start piling things up on the ledge of the staircase. So today I was going to get that cleaned up. Tell me down in the comments, what are some of your habits or things that you forget to do that contribute to the mess and the clutter around your house?
If I want, let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much.
Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed cleaning with me, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really does help me out, and plus it's free. So thank you again for watching. Don't forget to check out the description box if you're interested with any of the products that I used today, and until next time, you guys, bye.